Good morning, Ms. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. That kicks it up to a Class A misdemeanor, so you were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Judge, on March 20th, 2024 in Harris County, Texas, officers responded to a terroristic threat call. The complaining witness and the defendant are sisters, and complaining witness say the defendant is not allowed to go into a residence. The complaining witness's son mistakenly let the defendant and her husband in, and they drank the beer. The complaining witness texted the defendant about her being in the residence, and the defendant responded with threatening messages that said the defendant will slap CW and show up at, slap the complaining witness and show up at the complaining witness's job. The complaining witness stated she feared for her safety.
What the hell does that mean? It's got to be serious bodily injury, man. Or
Yes, Judge.
are we putting everybody in jail now for whatever?
Judge, that's really all I have.
Statute.
Sure.
Okay, what was it said exactly again?
Judge, the message that the defendant sent to complaining witness states, exactly, bitch, don't talk out your ass because I will go to your house and slap you in front of your family. I'll even come to your job.
That's not imminent serious bodily injury. Come on. All right, I'm gonna find no probable cause, ma'am. As the old adage says, sticks and stones, right? Words will never hurt. They actually can. You have to be careful what you say, who you say it to, because it could end you, you could end up in hot water. I'm gonna find no probable cause in this case.
Here's how it starts. Ms. Gonzalez is hauled into court on a serious charge, terroristic threat against a family member. That bumps it up to a Class A misdemeanor. Translation? Up to 1 year in jail and a $4,000 fine hanging over her head. The judge runs through her rights. Stay silent. Get a lawyer. All of it. The backstory? March 20th, 2024, Harris County, Texas. Cops get a call about a threat. Turns out Gonzalez and the alleged victim are sisters. She wasn't even supposed to be at the house, but the victim's son let her and her husband in, and they drank beer. Later, when the sister texted her about it, Gonzalez fired back with threats, saying she'd slap her and even show up at her job. The sister said she was scared for her safety.
The idea also is that if you don't have a good relationship with someone, it's probably best not to just inject yourself repeatedly in there because you're asking for trouble,
Right.
I mean, you now know. All right, man, please. Just be careful, all right?
Your Honor, I'm following dismissal.
Thanks. All right, ma'am, your case is being dismissed. If you want to copy the dismissal, you're free to wait. Otherwise, you're free to go. Okay.
All right.
Now, this is where it gets messy. The judge stops everything, asking, what exactly is this threat? Where's the serious bodily injury? The only thing the text was, don't talk out your ass. I'll slap you in front of your family. I'll even come to your job. The judge isn't convinced. He says that doesn't rise to the level of a terroristic threat. Words can sting, sure, but not every angry text equals jail time. Then he delivers a lesson. Watch what you say, because the wrong words to the wrong person can land you in serious trouble. He also warns her, if you don't have a good relationship with someone, stop inserting yourself into their life. Otherwise, you're asking for disaster. And just like that, the judge shuts it down.